Imagine waking up with steady hands, strong feet, and a calm, pain-free body, because your nerves are finally healing from the inside out. No more numbness in your fingers, no more burning or tingling at night, no more sharp shooting pain disrupting your day or your sleep. If you think nerve recovery only comes from pills or waiting, think again. Your body is wired to heal, and the right nutrients can flip that switch back on. In this video, you'll discover 3 overlooked seeds that are backed by real science, rich in omega-3s, magnesium, and antioxidants that reduce inflammation, rebuild nerve coatings, and restore healthy signal flow. So whether you're battling nerve pain, recovering from injury, or just want your strength and control back, this video is for you. And if you're ready to take healing into your own hands, hit that subscribe button and type "Nerve Boost" in the comments. Let's get your nerves working for you again. The 3 seeds. Number 1. Flax seeds, the anti-inflammation powerhouse. Honestly, if you don't already have flax seeds in your diet, you're missing out big time. These seeds have 534 calories per 3.5 ounces. That's 55 calories for each tablespoon of whole seeds. The nutrient package you're getting in 10 grams is better than any discount you'll ever get. There's 7% water, 1.9 grams of protein, 3 grams of carbohydrates, 0.2 grams of sugar, 2.8 grams of fiber, and 4.3 grams of fat. But what do flax seeds bring to the table when it comes to nerve recovery? Well, take a seat. Flax seeds are called the anti-inflammation powerhouse for a reason. Flax seeds are rich in ALA omega-3s, which lower inflammation, protect nerves, and help rebuild the nerve's protective coating. And that's important. Why? Well, chronic inflammation is a root cause of nerve damage, which in turn leads to pain and delayed healing. But this is where flax seeds come in with their anti-inflammatory properties. These properties mostly exist because of the omega-3 fatty acids. Most people don't know this, but flax seeds are the richest plant source of alpha-linolenic acid. For those of you who didn't pay attention in biology class, it's a type of omega-3 that reduces inflammation and supports nerve membrane health. On top of that, flax seeds also contain lignans that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammatory substances. According to one study in 2022, flax seeds are able to reduce substances like C-reactive protein and interleukin-6, which are responsible for nerve inflammation. Research has also shown that ALA and its derivatives, such as eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, are important when it comes to the formation and repair of the protective covering around nerves. You'll also find plenty of fiber in flax seeds that help stabilize blood sugar, along with antioxidants that protect nerves against inflammation. But what happens when inflammation in the body goes down? Well, by reducing inflammation, flax seeds help create an environment in the body where damaged nerves can freely repair themselves. And in case you have doubts about how effective flax seeds can be when it comes to improving symptoms like numbness and tingling, well, you can sleep peacefully. One study in rats found that flax seeds actually promote nerve regeneration. Scientists observed an increase in the thickness of the myelin sheath, the protective covering surrounding nerves. So if you want to improve your health, flax seeds could be the way to go. However, lowering inflammation is only the first step toward recovery. Hydration and nerve protection need a different kind of super support. Number 2. Chia seeds, cellular hydration and protection. And that's where chia seeds come in. See, if your nerve cells are going to work at their best, they need hydration and minerals. Without them, you'll end up with a nervous system that's no different from the exhaust engine of a really old car, coughing up smoke. Chia seeds deliver hydration, magnesium, and antioxidants that guard nerve cells and support faster repair. 1 ounce of these bad boys is packed with 138 calories, 4.7 grams of protein, 8.7 grams of fat, 5 grams of alpha-linolenic acid, 11.9 grams of carbohydrates, and a very long list of important minerals. The real game changer here is magnesium. Just 1 ounce of chia packs 95 milligrams of this life-changing mineral. That's 23% of your daily needs. But why should you care about that? Well, normal nerve function and magnesium go hand in hand. It helps nerves send signals smoothly and even eases nerve pain by regulating calcium flow. Also, it's an important mineral for the relaxation of the nervous system and muscles. Chia seeds also provide your body with calcium. If you want the numbers, you get 14% of your daily need with 1 ounce. And yes, calcium ions are important. Without them, your nervous system is as good as gone. Normal calcium levels in the body not only reduce inflammation, but also support the overall health of the nervous system. But what's even impressive is the omega-3 and antioxidant armor. The ALA, aka a plant-based omega-3, and quercetin act like bodyguards for your nerves, protecting against oxidative stress and boosting the health of the myelin sheath, the protective layer that speeds up nerve signals. And let's not forget the iron and the water-absorbing abilities. Chia seeds come packed with 12% of the daily iron value. And iron's important because it delivers oxygen to nerve tissues. More importantly, chia's soluble fiber absorbs up to 10 times its weight in water, helping your nerve cells stay perfectly hydrated. And so chia seeds tackle the nasty combo of oxidative stress and dehydration, two major culprits when it comes to nerve damage. Have you ever used seeds like flax or chia to support your health? Drop a yes or no in the comments, and share which seed you're most excited to add to your healing plan. Chia nourishes at the cellular level, but the final seed may surprise you. It's packed with magnesium to power nerve signals stronger and faster. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds, the magnesium nerve booster. Pumpkin seeds boost nerve impulses and reduce nerve inflammation. How's that? 50 grams of these seeds are packed with 227 calories, along with 9.3 grams of carbs, 15 grams of proteins, 20 grams of fat, and 6.7 grams of fiber. But the real superhero is magnesium. About 60 grams of these seeds supply nearly the body's daily requirement for magnesium. And like we said before, this micronutrient is important for normal nerve function. It acts like a gatekeeper for calcium ions, making sure calcium only enters nerve and muscle cells when needed. If there's not enough magnesium in the body, the electrical signaling keeping you alive becomes erratic. And that's what leads to symptoms like numbness, tingling, muscle cramps, and sharp shooting pains commonly associated with nerve damage. The good news? You can avoid that doomed fate with pumpkin seeds. But that doesn't make these seeds a one-hit wonder. On top of magnesium, pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants, including vitamin E and carotenoids, which help protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. For those of you who didn't catch on, they're the #1 reason behind nerve damage issues not improving. These seeds are also a great source of zinc. And that's something that should interest you because zinc not only supports nerve signal transmission, but also plays a role in cell regeneration. What's more, zinc is involved in collagen production, which can be beneficial for the protective sheath surrounding the nerves. And so pumpkin seeds fuel stronger nerve transmission and healing. Now, let's quickly cover the smartest way to add these seeds to your daily life for real recovery. How to use these 3 seeds for daily nerve healing. The upside here is that there's no limit. If you can think of it, you can do it. Let's look at flax seeds first. 1 to 2 tablespoons ground daily can be life-changing. You can add them to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt, whatever suits your taste. Remember, grinding the seeds helps unlock nutrients, so don't overlook that step. With chia seeds, you need to keep 1 tablespoon soaked in water overnight, and in the morning, you can add it to puddings and smoothies. When it comes to pumpkin seeds, you can add 1/4 of a cup raw to your food every day. Or you can munch on lightly roasted seeds every day as a snack or a salad topping. Apart from that, here are some important tips to keep in mind to unlock the most benefits. If you can't consume the seeds every day in your diet, the better strategy is to rotate usage during the week for balanced nutrient intake. Also, don't lose heart if you don't see any benefits for the first few days. The seeds take time, give or take 4 to 6 weeks. So make sure you're consistent with incorporating the seeds in your diet for this duration. You can try pairing with other anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, berries, and fatty fish for a more supercharged approach. Leafy green vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and asparagus actually contain vitamin B, which is an important nutrient for nerve regeneration and nerve function. Meanwhile, spinach, broccoli, and kale are rich in alpha-lipoic acid. And more importantly, if your nerve condition is chronic, then don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare provider. Also, if you're on blood thinners, make sure to consult with a professional first, since flax seeds have blood-thinning effects. Remember, we want to unlock a healthier lifestyle, not the other way around. At the end of the day, incorporating these seeds in your diet is the best decision you can make for an older, healthier version of you. You'll realize that nature gives the body everything it needs to heal, and seeds like flax, chia, and pumpkin offer powerful nerve repair nutrients that can make a real difference. Our ancestors before us had been using these seeds in their diet for a reason, and science is only catching up to their wisdom. Take flax and chia seeds for one. The ALA in them is converted into other molecules, which reduce inflammation and support myelin sheath repair. Meanwhile, magnesium modulates something called NMDA receptors. With these things not working, your nerves stop reacting to many sources of chronic pain. And let's not forget how these seeds take care of the free radicals in your body. If we allowed them to roam free, the free radicals would have a free buffet on your nerves. So don't underestimate the importance of what you put in your body. Small daily habits today can lead to stronger, faster healing tomorrow. Your nerves aren't broken. They're just waiting for the right support. And these 3 seeds, they're some of the most powerful tools nature has to offer to calm inflammation, rebuild nerve insulation, and get your body healing again. Start simple. Pick one seed and stay consistent. Trust your body, give it time, and feel the difference build day by day. But here's the thing. Seeds are just part of the puzzle. What if your nerves are still starved for the deeper nutrients they need to truly regenerate? That's where vitamins and supplements come in. If you want to know which 10 are the best for repairing nerve damage and how to use them safely, watch this next. 10 best vitamins and supplements for nerve damage. Neuropathy. It's packed with exactly what your nerves need most. Like this video, drop a nerve boost in the comments, hit that like button, and subscribe for more natural strategies that work. Your healing starts here, and this is just the beginning.